A lot of people are discouraged by the news of YouTube increasing their monetization requirements for AdSense and premium revenue. But even if you aren't monetized via AdSense, you can still monetize the platform while you work your way to eventually hit those requirements. We are monetized on YouTube, but the majority of what we make from YouTube has nothing to do with AdSense. In our experience, YouTube is still the best place to promote yourself and what you do based on its increased discoverability, higher barrier to entry, which means less competition, and the type of community it cultivates when compared to other social platforms. And you don't even need to have a full-fledged business setup yet to get started. So let's talk about the 6 proven ways business owners are making money on YouTube, proven because we're a business doing it, and the last monetization stream is the one you can get started with today that most people skip. Let's dive in.
The first way to monetize YouTube is to use your YouTube videos to promote your actual business, the products or services you sell right from the beginning. So in every video we publish, we have a link to book a consult with us. That's there for people who want a tailored one-on-one session with us to specifically get support on their exact problem. And when we sit in those consults, the number one platform people say they found us on is YouTube. Even more interesting, there have been so many conversations we've had with clients where they say, essentially, there are so many people talking about social media for business, but I actually like the way you teach. And we don't even actually promote our consulting services that much. It's just clear where our expertise lies. So those who want to take the next step end up scrolling down, booking directly, and landing on our calendar. So here's how you can seamlessly promote the products and services that you offer. You can create content built around what your ideal customer or client is already searching for and speak about your product or service as a solution within that content. Sometimes that can be more subtle or soft, just showcasing your products or mentioning your service. And sometimes it can be more of a hard sell with a direct call out to the link in your description to learn more or take advantage of your offer. Either way, you should always have a link for someone to be able to work with you or buy from you in your video description and in your channel bio. Yep. And your primary offer doesn't even have to be the main product or service that your business sells. That brings us to number 2.
The second way to monetize YouTube is to create a digital product. So we don't talk a lot about our services, especially because our services are a little on the higher end. But what we do promote are our free and paid digital products.
Yes, we do.
Those can also solve a problem for our ideal client right away. And as we continue to nurture that relationship, they may decide at some point that they want even more dedicated support and then end up moving up our offer ladder. Either way, the digital product brings in revenue or lead. So if you are an expert and you sell some form of service or plan to, or you're a producer or creator in any category in that you create products, whether that's like online or in person, you can package up your knowledge on a topic. That could be in the form of a PDF download. We have several that hit different stages of our audience's social media journey. And that can also, though, look like a video, an email series, whatever makes sense. Then you give that away either for free to generate leads for your business, usually in exchange for an email and or a phone number. Or if the knowledge you've packaged up is more comprehensive and you know it's so good, you can charge for it. And that could also be put in as a bundle or a really great downloadable or a course. Then you build videos around that topic that naturally integrate your digital product as the solution. And once people are consistently coming back to learn from you, there's another monetization model that becomes really interesting. So we'll talk about that next.
The third way to monetize YouTube is to start a membership. Now, we have a membership right here on YouTube where we help the business owners in our audience who want that extra level of support. They get direct access to us for questions, content and strategy reviews, profile audits, and social media and YouTube trainings that are much more in depth.
Hey, members.
Hey guys, love you. You can check it out below if that sounds like something that you would benefit from. And we actually host our membership here on YouTube because they have a membership channel option available and it's very frictionless to join. You just hit that little join button in the main bar there. You're in.
Yep.
But you can also create a membership around your business or creative pursuit on platforms like Patreon, Circle, School, or even Kajabi. There are so many different platforms to choose from. It really is just whichever you prefer. There are so many people out there making life-changing revenue through memberships as well.
Just memberships.
Yeah, just memberships alone. I know one channel I heard the other day has 110,000 people paying $10 a month. So do the math.
Okay. Yeah.
Crazy, right?
Yeah.
And you don't even have to be an expert educator to do this. You just have to have a shared interest that you can build a community around. And you do that by showcasing your interest or expertise through consistent YouTube content.
There's another person I heard on Hormozy's has like a series, and she said that she just does like a card drawing in or something like that. Like they're just designing cards. It's like true hobbyist activity.
Like a
it's not
trading
greeting
cards?
like greeting cards or just something, but it's it's drawing.
Oh.
So it's just like, and I think maybe she sells the cards or something,
That
but
she
it's like a
draws with them?
community just around that. It's not about being an expert. She might just be a little bit better than art than they are and can teach them. But I thought that was cool too. And she was
Awesome.
making wild money on it. So yeah.
Good for her.
Yeah. Any
Love to
category.
hear
There's
it.
so many options. Yeah.
It's really cool.
Yeah.
Now, this next one is where the value of the community itself starts becoming a business asset.
The fourth way to monetize YouTube is brand partnerships. So we have had several brand partnerships over the years, which make up a bulk of our YouTube generated income.
Yeah.
Literally this year, we flew to San Francisco with Meta and to the UK with WhatsApp because of the community we've cultivated of you incredible business owners here on YouTube.
They're the best.
They're the best. You guys are the best. So brand partnerships involve sponsored videos or segments of your video in exchange for a dedicated spotlight on a sponsor's product or service. This should be naturally integrated and, most importantly, relevant and of high quality to your audience.
Yeah.
We never share something with you that we don't trust, know, or love.
That's a fact.
So the goal here is to build a niche community around your expertise or interest that is still attractive to brands. So you could technically have like 5,000 subscribers and not have hit your 4,000 or eventually 8,000 watch hours. But if that audience that you have is engaging with you and commenting and really loves you, that is a valuable community a brand could definitely be interested in.
Yeah.
And brand partnerships aren't the only way the products you already know and use can generate revenue. So let's talk about that way next.
The fifth way to monetize YouTube is affiliate marketing. So speaking of products and services that you trust, know, and love, another way we've monetized YouTube is through affiliate partnerships. So for us, this typically looks like promoting the software that powers our business. These are all examples of affiliates we mention in our videos when it makes sense. And if you like a product or service we recommend and use our link, in exchange, we'll get a commission with no extra charge to you. So you may not realize it, but the products and services you already use may have an affiliate program available. So many do.
Yeah.
You can sign up and you get a trackable link to include in your descriptions for people to sign up or purchase from. You'd want to create content that features these products, services, and software and the benefits of them. So those folks in your audience who would benefit from them too can try them out for themselves, and then you get a little piece for that recommendation. But all five of these become much more powerful when you stop relying entirely on YouTube to reconnect you with the people watching. Which brings us to the monetization path, the one that we think most people skip.
This sixth one is more of a monetary path versus a direct purchase exchange, and that's starting an email list.
Yes.
For us, our email list has grown primarily through YouTube. We love email lists because they are algorithm proof and give you a direct line to your target audience. They are the warmest group that you can nurture and market to. This ties back to our point number 2. If you package up your knowledge into a free resource that people are willing to give you their email for, you can set up an email funnel, which is a series of emails that leads to the offer you want to sell. And you don't always need to have the offer already ready to go. You can also just set up a wait list. So that just involves having a landing page where you tease a product or service you're working on, and then people sign up to get notified via email when it drops. This also helps you test what your audience is interested in before you work on even building anything. So it works as a market validation tool where you can assess demand first, essentially. So we believe so much in the power of email.
Oh, yeah.
Our email list makes money for us while we live, work, travel, sleep, any of those things. And you can get started today. We use Flowdesk for this, which we love and we'll link below. And we also have an entire email list building training inside that membership that we mentioned earlier. So we'll link that below as well if you're really serious about learning the ins and outs of building your email list, which we cannot recommend enough. So even with YouTube raising the requirements to earn from ads and premium revenue, that doesn't change the bigger opportunity here, because AdSense has never been the only way YouTube can make money for you. Your videos can introduce people to your business. They can sell your products, your services. You can build a paid community, create brand opportunities, generate affiliate revenue, and help you build an email list that you actually own. And that's why we still believe YouTube is one of the best platforms a business owner can be on.
Preach.
Now, if you're building your YouTube channel and want more support figuring out how to actually use it to grow your business, that's exactly the kind of work we do inside our membership. We have deeper YouTube trainings, social media trainings, live Q&As, audits, all the things Craig mentioned, and you also get direct support from us if you have any questions. The link to join that is below. And if you're feeling encouraged and ready to build your YouTube channel because we've told you all these great things you can get from it, watch this video next. We'll see you in the next one.
Peace.
Bye.